Hey there, it's Claudia. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about my holy grail hair care products and pretty much everything that I use in my routine, especially for colored hair, for bleach hair. I've been bleaching my hair for like years now, and I've been dying to make a tutorial on how I bleach my hair at home. I want to make that video for you guys, but every time that I'm about to do my roots, what the heck? The camera's moving by itself. So every time that I'm about to go color my hair, like bleach my roots, I'm like, I get started and then I'm like, I want to make a video. So it is on my list to do a video on how I color my hair at home. Now let's get into my holy grail products. These products are great if you have bleach hair or color hair. They'll work amazing on you. So now the thing about me is when I bleach my hair, sometimes I'll tone it and I want it really, really white and I'll get rid of the brassiness. But sometimes in the summer, I'm here for like a yellow. I'm here for yellow. Like right now it's super yellow and I'm into it. Sometimes I want it like yellow and I'll use a little bit of purple shampoo. And sometimes I'll tone it a little bit and sometimes I won't. Sometimes I'll tone it a lot. Sometimes I like it really white. I'll make a whole video about how I color my hair and like how I get those different tones. But right now I'm in my yellow era. I like this yellow. All right, let's get into my holy grail products for bleach blonde hair. A Hannaford's bag. Like, I'm in my studio. I got dressed for the day, so I'm wearing pink, but then I'm in my studio and I'm like, oh my God, the pink on pink, is it gonna clash? Pink on pink, right? Let's hold the mic. So I brought all of my holy grail hair care products from my bathroom and I'm in my studio and I'm like, okay, I'll just put them in this Hannaford bag. All right, let's get into them. For shampoo, actually, let's start with the Before You shampoo. And this is what I've been using lately, and it's been helping so much with my curls. So first thing is the number 0 from Olaplex. I've been using this for the past couple of weeks, and it has brought my curls back to life. So right now, this is a holy grail for me. The number 0, I apply this with my hair dry and I leave it on for 10 minutes. So this is before wash. I read the instructions very clearly because I was confused. I was like, and it clearly says, apply number 0 to dry hair in small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damped, but not drenched. Leave on for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Then apply a generous amount of number 3. Let me get this out of here. So then it says to apply a generous amount of number 3. So this is their number 3. This is number 3. This is repairs and strengthens all hair types. So then after 10 minutes of the number 0, I put on the number 3 and I leave it on for another 10 minutes, which the instructions do say apply a generous amount of number 3 to saturate hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual. So I made sure I was reading that a lot because I was a little confused. But yes, so I use the number 0 and the number 3 before I wash my hair. Now, I don't do this every week. Once in a while, when my hair's feeling extra dry, but I do this one. It's amazing. My third holy grail product for blonde, bleach hair, or colored hair that I use is then I use the number 4 from Olaplex. This is their shampoo. It's so good. I love it. I make sure to only put it on my scalp and really massage it. I have a scalp massager that I got on Amazon and really massage it. And I don't put it on my ends. I kind of, once I rinse the shampoo out, I just let that go down the hair because if not, it'll really dry out your hair, especially if you have blonde hair. So I do 1 or 2 of these depending on how like dirty my hair is. Then I use a hair mask. I'm almost done with this one. This one is the Kisu. This is honey infused hair mask and my hair loves this stuff, especially when my hair is like super dry. It loves this. I leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and I put a hair cap on and then I just let it sit there and then after I rinse it out. If I don't use this, I will use the Shea Moisture Jamaican castor oil mask. That one is really, really, really good. My hair loves it. And I also use their deep hydration mask. That one is so, so good, especially if you have super dry hair. And then I make sure to deep condition once a week. That's something like apply as much moisture as possible to the hair, especially blonde hair. So I love this mask so much. But if I don't use this one, I use one of the other options here. Any mask that's really good for hydration, your hair needs it. So then after that, I use the number 5, and this is their conditioner, and I just rinse out the mask, and then I do the conditioner as well, and I put it on and I leave it a couple of minutes, and then I brush it out, and then I take it out. So that's pretty much like my whole wash system. So then after I get out of the shower, I use my microfiber towels. So I use a microfiber towel, and I use both of them. I use one and I make sure it soaks up all the water, and then I use another one right after just to make sure it soaks up even more water, just to make it easier for my hair to either air dry or blow dry or whatever I decide to do for that day. So since it's summer and I am rocking my hair curly and just kind of like letting it breathe because it's so humid, I'm not using heat tools. So if I'm rocking my hair curly, I have been obsessed with this leave-in. So after I use the towels to soak up all of the residue water from my hair, I use this 5-in-1 leave-in. It's so good. It has curl care, and it's made with coconut oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and curl activating complex. I am obsessed with this, and it detangles and protects. And if you have bleached hair, you know it wants all the moisture in the world. It wants a lot of leave-in. So I use this. It's so good, and I am obsessed with it. Then after that, I don't do this all the time. I do it like once in a while. And this is a picture of my hair here, how I have it in the winter. I have it more toned and more white. I really like that. And then in the summer, I like to have more of like a yellow bleach blonde. I don't know why. It's just, I just like it. And then that just all goes on how I feel about toning it, how long I leave the toner on. And I'll do a full video on how I color my hair. Like, that's been coming for a long time, but I've been wanting to make that video. Use this. This is coconut and ginger, and it's a dropper for your scalp. I put a couple of drops of this in my scalp, and then I just massage it on my scalp for a few minutes. And this is supposed to stimulate hair growth, and I love it. I think it's been working because my hair is growing like crazy. Okay, and after that, I do put some oils in my hair if my hair's curly. If I'm styling it curly, I do put oils. After, this is only for my scalp, and I massage it in, and I use the leave-in, and then I put some oils in my hair. So I've been using, and I've been obsessed with, the jojoba oil. This is so good. I got it on Amazon, and I put this on my hair. I don't put a lot. I've been using this Garnier Fructis. This is their Curl Multi-Use Oil, and I've been using this when I'm rocking my hair curly as well as the jojoba oil. And it works so good. I love it, especially if your hair gets frizzy for the humidity. My hair just like loves moisture. It just needs all the moisture in the world. Once in a while, if I am not styling my hair, like if I wash it and I'm just, not gonna style it, I'm just gonna like leave it as it is. Usually I use it at night. Sometimes I use it after the shower. It depends on what I'm feeling. And it depends if I've run out of the other oils. I use this repairing oil. It's argan oil. It's super good, and if your hair is super dry, you definitely want to use this. I love it. I think it works great on my hair. Just like my hair just like soaks it up. It like loves it. I love using that. So that's what I use. And then obviously I use styling products. So I'll use a like curl mousse, and then I'll use like a little bit of gel just to hold the curls, so that just holds the curls. But if I'm doing the opposite, then I'll use, like if I'm gonna straighten my hair, if I'm gonna use a blow dryer, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin, and I use this, but I also use heat protector. And I think this already has built-in heat protector, but I love this stuff. If you're getting a blowout, this stuff works really great. It just makes your hair like sleek, and it just helps it so it doesn't get frizzy, and everything is in one. It's a leave-in, but I only use this if I am blow drying my hair. And then if I am feeling, because this color's on purpose, but if I am feeling like I want to get rid of the brassiness, or I want my hair to be a little bit whiter, and I want to get rid of the yellow and the brassiness and all of that, then I'll use my purple shampoo, which is this one. This is literally the best purple shampoo out there. A hairstylist recommended this shampoo to me, and I've had this for a while. This will last you a long time, and it's so strong. You literally have to dilute this. You have to dilute this with water, because if I put this on my hair right now, directly like this, my hair will be white. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. And sometimes I'm here for the white, but sometimes I'm not. But if I put this in my hair will be white. This is so good. This is the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. This stuff is strong. Sometimes I mix it in with the shampoo before I put it on my scalp to wash it, or sometimes I'll take a little bit and I'll like mix it into water before putting it on my hair, because this stuff is strong. This will last you forever. I am careful using this because this is a lot, but I only use it when I feel like it. I'm in my yellow vibes right now, so I used a little bit, but not a lot. But this can also dry out your hair a lot, so you have to be careful with it because this stuff works. Okay, so that's all for today's video on my holy grail products, my favorite hair products for bleached hair, for colored hair. I've been coloring my hair for years. I've been bleaching my hair for years. So these are the products that are the best. Don't complicate it. Don't get a bunch of stuff. Get this. And if you do get Olaplex, I take breaks from it. Like, I don't use it every single week. Like, I'll take breaks and I'll use like a different shampoo and conditioner, like a more hydrating one. But if it works well for you and you want to use it every week, use it every week. I don't use it every week. Don't complicate it. And if you are going to color your hair, I should make a video. I'm gonna make a video on like my tips if you're coloring your hair, if you're bleaching your hair, kind of some of the things to remember, because I've had blonde hair for like a long time. These are my holy grail products for blonde bleach hair, or if you color your hair a lighter color. These products are so good. And yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what video you would like me to make. Make sure to give this a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.